I'm going to show you guys how to make stars. Yay! Yay! In broad daylight! The first tutorial was showing you how to control the can and the flow of the spray. I'm gonna, just for a quick reminder, pop that link right there, and then I'm gonna throw it down here in the descriptions too if you guys are curious. Alright, we're gonna get this show going. This is gonna be a real quick one, so you guys make sure that you pay attention, and I hope that you guys get what you need from this video. Let's get this going. Okay, so to do this, all you guys need to do is have a can of black paint and a can of white paint. Also, it helps if you guys spray the tops of your cans so it's easier to grab your paints, especially when you're performing. Okay, so to do this, all you need to do is start spraying your poster board down like this. We're just gonna go like this. And nice. So you're gonna lay down your black paint if you're doing like any outer space or a night scene. Okay, so I'm not going to do the whole thing right now. Then all you do is you take your white paint, and this is going to get a little messy. Off to the side, you take 2 fingers, then you go, you flick down like that, straight down. Then, boop, 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 boop. You go straight up and down. You do not want to go diagonal, because if you do, your star's going to come out looking like mini comets. So, just up and down. Alright, so we got a nice star-filled sky there. Okay. And that's how you do it. So I'm just going to take my gloves and go like that, because I don't want it all to stick too bad. That's another reason why I wear gloves. They're convenient, see? Also, a good thing to use is called Goof Off. It's like a paint thinner, basically, but it works really well with getting spray paint off your hands. Also, lacquer thinner is another one. Goof Off is probably the better of the two, but it is what it is. But make sure that you immediately get that off your hands as soon as you're done with your project. So we're just going to put a couple more stars down, just because I feel it's not starry enough. Alright, that's good. So there you go, you guys. This is how you do stars. Stay tuned for the next one. So you guys have a beautiful day. My name is Charlie Marie Cupan. If you're new to this channel, you smack that subscribe button down there. Also, the bell would help to let you know when I come out with new videos. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Peace, love, all the above.